Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Today we're diving into a true icon of American trucking, the 1978 Ford F-250. From its rugged history to its classic looks, hard-working performance, and timeless appeal, this truck tells a story of durability and American ingenuity. Let's get into it. With archival photos, video. The 1978 Ford F-250 was part of Ford's sixth-generation F-Series lineup, which ran from 1973 to 1979, a generation that helped define what a full-size pickup could be. Wikipedia. This truck wasn't just a workhorse, it was built to be reliable and versatile. Ford offered it in multiple trims, including the custom Ranger, Ranger XLT, and the newly introduced Ranger Lariat in 1978, which brought cloth interiors and stylish two-tone paint options. Wikipedia. Back in the late 70s, pickups were evolving from purely utilitarian machines into vehicles people wanted to drive, and the F-250 was right in the middle of that evolution. Exterior. Looking at the 1978 F-250, you immediately notice its bold, square bodylines and commanding presence, big, purposeful, and unapologetically truck-like. MetroMMP.com. Its front end features a wide grille and round headlights, giving it that classic late 70s Ford look. You could get it with different bed styles like the traditional fleetside or the more rugged flairside. MetroMMP.com. Trim packages like the freewheeling stripes added visual flair too, making some trucks feel almost sporty despite their serious nature. Wikipedia. Interior. Swinging inside the cab, you'll find a simple yet functional interior, built tough for work but comfortable enough for everyday use. MetroMMP.com. Bench seats, large analog gauges, and durable vinyl or optional cloth trim were common. Higher trims like the Ranger Lariat brought in softer cloth and more decorative accents, making longer drives more comfortable. Wikipedia. And while it may look basic by today's standards, many enthusiasts appreciate the era-correct simplicity, everything you need and nothing you don't. Performance. Under the hood, the 1978 F-250 offered a good range of engines for different needs. MetroMMP.com. Base power came from the 300 cubic inch inline 6, known for reliability. But for real grunt, buyers went for version 8S like the 351M, 400, and even the big 460 cubic inch V8, with horsepower up to around 220 to 225 in stock form. MetroMMP.com +1. These engines were paired with either a speed manual or a 3-speed automatic, and many trucks came with rugged 4x4 drivetrains. MetroMMP.com. 0 to 60 wasn't a headline figure, these trucks were built to haul and tow, not race, but they delivered strong low-end torque and dependable performance on the job. MetroMMP.com. Fuel economy might have hovered in the low teens, a trade-off for the power and capability they offered. MetroMMP.com. Ownership and legacy 530 to 630. What's fascinating about the 1978 F-250 is how many have survived and how cherished they are among classic truck lovers. MetroMMP.com. From original survivors with low miles to beautifully restored classics and even some resto mods, these trucks are appreciated for their durability and personality. YouTube. They're simple to work on, have a strong community of fans, and their rugged design still turns heads at shows today. Conclus. Pan across the truck at sunset. So there you have it, the 1978 Ford F-250. A truck built for work, loved for its character, and respected for its legacy. Whether you're a classic truck enthusiast or just digging into automotive history, the 78 F-250 stands as a symbol of American strength and reliability. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, what classic truck should we cover next? If you'd like, I can also format this into on-screen graphics, narration cues, and B-roll shot lists for easier shooting. Would you like a title and thumbnail idea too?